Islamic University is a beautiful place where you can learn, you can understand Islam, you can feel free, you can feel good in this environment. It is a beautiful university with old and new campuses. I am studying Islamic studies, Usuluddin, and it is a great opportunity for me of being here.
Yes.
If I was younger than now, I will choose again this country, this university. I love
I
this
got you.
this country. I love International Islamic University, and I would like that this university in the future to have more foreigners from West,
Overseas
from
students.
America, from Europe, because many people they has the intention to go in Saudi in Arab countries, but they underestimate, they underrate Pakistan as a place where you can learn. I would like the people to come in Pakistan. I believe Pakistan is the best place